So now I have finally settled back in and that life has slowed down a little bit. I wake up and I'm trying to figure out, am I still in Jumanji? But no, y'all, it was just a spider on the ceiling and Jumanji has prepared me. I killed that mother sucker. He didn't stand a chance this morning. There goes that celebratory dance. That nigga is gone. Dead. They say now it's on to make some breakfast. And y'all, it's omelets this morning. I haven't had no good omelet in God knows how long, but the girls is back. Breakfast. I'm making omelet. Like I said, I had me an omelet this morning. So let's go. Okay, now I watched my cousin in Argentina put her bacon in and like slightly slipped it up. Y'all, when I tell you it made it so much crunchier, I felt like my bacon was kind of like a little wet setty, like not giving me the crunch. I got the crunch now, okay? Preheat that thing, throw that bacon in the oven, and main man about to get in trouble this morning because I don't know why he keeps hitting the dogs. Like he grabbed them by their ears. I thought I was leaving the terrible twos. Now somebody's telling me something about trying threes. I don't feel like it. I don't. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and give you the menu. These are sausages so goddamn good, y'all. They're from North Carolina. This really reminds me when I was a kid and I would smell my mother making breakfast. It's that sausage, that old back in the day sausage. I don't know why they don't sell it in the grocery store no more. But y'all already know I'm back with my omelets. Oh my gosh, Argentina has really scarred me. I haven't had no omelet in months. Then I got back home to Jumanji. I wasn't going in there to cook absolutely anything. But I'm back in my peaceful zone. And y'all, this pan is perfection. Everything was smooth sailing until it's time to get to mine. When I lost my touch, why there was so much yolk in my egg this morning, but y'all, I was so tired of cooking, it didn't even matter. I ate through that shit this morning. Players mess up too. A quick check and that bacon is doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. In a moment, for one moment, let me explain. It feels amazing to have my man home this long. And I know time is winding down, but when I tell you I've soaked in every second, that's where I've been. I've been slacking because I've been sucked up under him. But I'm not going to lie, I do miss kicking it with y'all, doing my little morning one too. All right, now everything's done. I can make me my baby's plates. And guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to catch you tomorrow morning. You better bring your asses back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because what are you doing? That's all I want to do.